going to do a little quick demonstration of how to initially install your skis when you get them from us. So here we have a 4-wheel stroller, and on today's demonstration we're using the 4x4 skis here. So when you first get your ski out of the box, this is what you will have. Okay, this is how you'll receive it. All you need to do is to put your stroller wheel into the middle here of your bracket. Make sure it's in the middle. You then have the large bit with the wire on the outside and then the hand nut on the inside. What you do is you turn it to loosen it and push the pin up to your wheel and then tighten that back up. And then you do the same for the rear, making sure that the center of your wheel is still in the center of the bracket. You then loosen the hand nut here, slide them both together, and then tighten that back up. It doesn't need to be loosened off much to be able to slide it. Then what you have to do then is you need to feed some of these wires out so you're able to loop that through your wheel. All you do is to pull this drum here out and you turn it, and as you pull it out and turn it, this wire will feed out. You then loop this through your wheel and you can hook it on to the other side. You then use this here just to put a little bit of tension back on, and that is good. That is how your wire should be. And the same for the front one. So again, you pull this out towards you and you twist. That feeds the wire out. You loop it through your wheel and then you just hook it on to the hand nut here. You then pull this back out and tighten it back up. And there we go. You're all attached and ready to go on your first adventure with your Polar Stroller skis.